Are you posting on social media but not seeing results? No, you're not alone. I see it with agents all the time. The problem isn't that social media doesn't work, it's that most realtors are making the same mistakes over and over. Now stick around because I'm going to walk you through the 5 most common mistakes and how you can fix them if you're in the same boat. And at the end, I'll give you my free social media fixes guide so you can start posting with total confidence and actually attract clients to you. How cool is that? Just wait it out. Hey, I am Ravi Ramachandran with the Momentum Pack. If after watching this video, you have questions or need my direct support for free, feel free to reach out. My contact information is in the description below. Now, social media should be one of the fastest ways for agents to build absolute trust and visibility. But the way that most realtors or agents go about using it is absolutely wrong. It actually pushes clients away or keeps them invisible. You don't want to do the same mistake. Now, let's break down the top 5 mistakes that I see agents making time and time again and how you can fix them. Now, the first big mistake is inconsistency. Now, agents will post 3 times in 1 week and then disappear for say 2 or 3 months. Now, this is like going to the gym once in January and wondering why you're not fit by the end of spring, right? You get the idea. Now, social media rewards consistency, not perfection. Now, think of it as showing up in the same place at the same time over and over, and eventually people start expecting you, and the expectation builds trust in you. In my business, it's a non-negotiable. I publish Seattle market updates around the middle of every month and short form reels every week, 3 reels a week, and 2 buyer and seller videos every week as well. Non-negotiable. Now, I'm busy with clients, but the content still goes out because it's all scheduled, which also helps me keep my brand top of mind. Okay? Now, the second mistake is making social media all about sales. Now, I see endless just listed, just sold posts kind of blend right in with every other agent's post in your market, right? Now, clients expect you to sell homes, right? That's a given. That does not differentiate you, however. What they crave is insight and value that you can provide. Now, they want tips, market context, and even fun local content. Now, that's why I run my @ConnectingRedmond page. Now, it's about community and not me. And that is one of the ways that I draw engagement from both residents and potential clients, as well as all of the social media channel where I have presence. Hey, by the way, I wanted to come on really quick and show you something super powerful. When you partner with us at Momentum Pack, you just don't get me. You get direct access to world-class training and support from leaders like Mike Sherrard, Joshua Smith, and 𝗂𝗂𝗧𝗵𝗀, all in one place. And I am excited to say that this is unique only to us at Momentum Pack. We help agents level up, not just with buyers and sellers, but by giving our partners free access to artificial intelligence tools that go way beyond ChatGPT prompts, if you will, social media strategies to help with lead generation, follow-up, and other systems to help them thrive in their real estate business. And check out these leaders extending a warm welcome should you choose to partner with us.
Welcome to the Social Agent Academy, which is the most comprehensive all-in-one social media training academy for real estate agents in the entire industry.
Hey, Joshua Smith here, and first off, I just want to say welcome to the Real Estate Business Mastery Coaching Program with me, your coach, your mentor, Joshua Smith. I'm so excited to have you here inside this program, so stoked and so honored to be on this journey in this experience with you.
Well, hello, Team Go-Go Agents. My name is 𝗂𝗂𝗧𝗵𝗀, and I am so excited that you're here with us. Team Go-Go means we are agents on the go-go. We are busy, we are hustlers, we are out there to sell real estate, we are out there to make money, we are out there to create financial freedom for our families. We just happen to be doing it together. There is time, there's care, there's patience, there is contribution, there's community.
And here's the exciting part. Even brand new agents who plugged into these strategies have gone on to earn 7 figures even in their very first year. Now, when you have the right guidance, support, and structure, you just don't survive in this business, you thrive. If you'd like to see what that could mean for your business, book a time with me through the Calendly link in the description below, and let's chat. Picking it up from where we left off. Let's get back on track. The third mistake that agents make time and again is ignoring video. Now, this is huge because trust is built the fastest using this medium. Now, people need to see you, hear you, and get a sense of your personality. If you are hiding behind static posts, you are missing a chance to build connection. This business is all about connection, right? So you want to hone in on that. Now, when I started posting short form tips, like helping relocation buyers make decisions without traveling or being physically present for every showing, you will not believe this. I had clients reaching out saying, Ravi, I already feel like I know you. Now that is the magic of video. Then we'll look at the fourth mistake, which is posting without engaging. Now, dropping a post and disappearing doesn't build relationships, especially in the virtual world. Social media is a two-way street. When people comment or direct message you, they are raising their hand. Hey, help me, they're yelling, right? So ignoring them is like not calling a lead back, and you know what the repercussions are, right? Now, I make it a point to respond to every comment and message because that's where trust is earned, and you can do the same too. Now, those micro conversations often turn into major opportunities, so don't skip. And the fifth mistake I see is having no clear brand voice. If you're copying what every other agent is doing, you're invisible, virtually invisible. Now, clients don't hire just another realtor. They hire specialists, right? Now, my brand voice leans into being the Seattle and East Side relocation expert. I talk about schools, lifestyle, and market data in plain English that everybody can understand and digest. Now, that's my voice. You need to find yours and lean into it, okay? So here's my message to you. Social media isn't about posting more or even frequently. It's about posting smarter, staying consistent, adding value, and engaging with people. And the icing on the cake is letting your unique voice shine all the way through. Now, to summarize this all, I created the Social Media Fixes for Realtors guide so that you can implement these solutions the right way. It's absolutely free and it's actionable, and it will help you build momentum fast. That's what Momentum Pack is all about. All that said, if you are struggling with this and would like my direct help and support for free, absolutely free, including free access to advanced social media training and ninja strategies, artificial intelligence tools, lead generation systems that go way beyond just ChatGPT prompts. It's kindergarten. ChatGPT is kindergarten. You'll almost earn a PhD without training. And click the partner up link in the description. Now, it's my personal calendar invite, and we'll chat about taking your business to a whole new level. All that said, if this video brought you value, hit the like, subscribe, and share it with another agent who needs it. So there you have it, the 5 biggest social media mistakes to avoid and fixes that will help you build real momentum with content. Feel free to comment below if there were any takeaways for you. I respond to all messages personally. That's it. Here's to your success.